Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add playlist on YouTube. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, go ahead, access your YouTube app on your mobile phone. Right afterwards, you will be able to find this kind of interface. If you would like to add a new playlist, all you have to do is tap on this profile icon which is in the bottom right. Go ahead, tap on it. Right over here, if you scroll a bit, you will be able to find the section of playlists on top. Go ahead, tap on this view all. Now you can see all of your playlists, right? If you want to add an additional one, all you have to do is tap on this create new playlist. You can simply choose to add any video to your playlist. Once you're done, you can tap on this next option, and now you can rename it and tap on this create. After that, you can tap on this see list, or you can also simply go ahead, refresh, and you can get your list right over here. If you go back, you can see our playlist is listed on top, and that is how you can do it. You can also go to home and simply tap on any random video of yours, and once you're over here, if you tap on this option of save, from here also you can tap on this new playlist and also create a new playlist for you right over from there as well. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.